Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. Today I thought that we would make some Happy Mail. So I have this adorable little book here, and I saw it, I think it was a year ago video, and I'm so sorry, I don't remember who made it, but they made something similar like this, and I thought, oh, this is nice and flat, and you can use your papers that maybe they don't go with your theme of the journals that you usually make, but they're still beautiful papers. And you're like, well, what am I, going to do with these papers? Well, this is an idea. So this little book is super simple. It takes no sewing, and it is extremely uplifting. And I'm also going to show you how it fits inside this pre-made envelope that you can buy, at the dollar store, and you can jazz it up and it will fit right in. So let's get started. So what you want to do is take two 6x6 pieces of paper. I've chose this really cute little polka dot and this little diamond shape. And I would like this one to be my cover. So I'm going to just fold it in half. Simple, simple, just fold it in half. There we go. Now you're going to take your second one and you're going to fold it to be a 1/2 inch from the top. You're going to not do it, you're not doing it this way, you're doing it this way. So about a 1/2 inch. Okay, we want to crease that. Now, this one is your second page, and it's the big, the one that is longer is going to be your second page. And this was my first page. So when I put them together, I have a cute little edge on there that really I think is adorable. So go ahead and take it out just like this and put this down. I'm going to turn it this way so you can see a little better. Now we all have some washi tapes hanging around, and if not, you can pick it up very inexpensively at different places and even online. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one just because it's bright and cheery. I'm going to find the end, and I'm going to not place it all the way on, just kind of halfway. I'm going to move it over this way a little more so don't waste it. And so just put it down. I'm going to go ahead and, sorry for the over the reach here. So it hangs over is what I'm trying to say, right? Take your first page, open it up, and you're going to attach this. Okay, you're going to attach this. I'm going to pull this back. That's what I did. Pull this back. Pull the sticky part back so you can see. That's where my problem was. I was like, how am I supposed to see this? Huh? Well, you're supposed to pull it back. That's how you're supposed to see it, you goofy. Okay, pull it back. And I think this is the hardest part of everything right here. And line it up the best you can and then crease it down. So that's instead of sewing. Voila. Now we're going to trim it, but you know what? Why is that? It's off a little. It's okay. It's a little booklet. It'll be fine. There we go. Now we're going to open it up. That's why it's off a little bit. Okay, I'm going to take this off and I'm going to put it back on. Just because that was bugging me. So it's very forgiving. If you need to do that, it's very, I told you it's the hardest part of the whole thing. The hardest part of the whole thing. No, the first one that I made wasn't this hard. Okay, good. And then you're like, sure, it's simple. Sure, it's simple. Okay, now let me look here. Okay, that's a little better. Now, right here, we're going to put some more washi tape. So this is the second to last and the last page. And you are going to just put it right on down, just like that. Perfect. Now, get this out of the way. And there's our first page. Second page. Third page. Fourth page. Back page. Okay, let's do a little bit of decorating. I would like to go ahead and put this right on front. And I think I have this really cute washi tape. I don't know where I got it. I've had it for the longest time. But it's butterflies. And I think I would like to put it right across the top to begin with. Isn't that pretty? That is really pretty. So I'm just going to, hope my head's not getting in it, line myself up a little bit. There we go. And just pull it right on across. There we go. And give it a snip. So cute. So cute. Okay, now I'm going to fold it. That's adorable. Now I'm going to take my little piece of ephemera. Let all that you do be done in love. I think that's real sweet and a nice reminder. And I'm just going to put a little glue on it. Oopsie. Little glue. And I'm just going to pop it right here. There. Lovely. Okay, our second page, open it up. I have this little piece of ephemera that says, the most important thing is never stop believing. I think that will be beautiful on this pink page, or maybe over here. Oh, I like it better over here. Let's put it on that side. Whoopsie. There we go. Just like that. Oops, I'm going to try to get it lined up so I'm fairly straight. Using the lines on my glass board to help me. That's so sticky there. There we go. This page is a little sticky. This is the middle one. Now, remember when I showed you the video how to make your own envelopes? Well, this one is a 5x5. These pieces of paper are 6x6. This is a 5x5. So this envelope will fit wonderfully inside here as like another little page. Okay, so we're going to put some glue on the back side of the flap. On the pretty side. Pretty side of the flap's going to get a little bit of glue. And don't put it right in the crease. Give it a little space. That way it will fold nicer. See how it's not quite right in the space. You just close it, but you open it up, and there's this adorable little envelope that's waiting. And inside, I put a little card that says hugs. That's so cute, right? Now you can decorate this up more if you want, or less, or however you want to do it. I'm just showing you a quick version. And I do believe I would like to put this right here. It says, "You are so much stronger than you think." Boy, isn't that true, you guys. That's the truth. Okay, let's get that. Right down. Whoopsie, my glue stick just fell over. I think I'd like to stick this maybe right down here. Yeah, just like that. All right, so you've got this, and now I would like to stick a little something right here. Small seeds of gratitude will produce a harvest of hope. And I'm going to put that one right where the flap of the envelope was, or is, I should say, is. Put that right here. Line it up just a little better. There we go. And the next page, I have this cute little cupcake. I think that's adorable. I think I'd like to put that one right there. And there's still room to journal on here. And it's really sweet and so uplifting. Now, alrighty, so now on our back page, I have this adorable little three little bunnies hugging each other. I think that would be very sweet. I'm feeling my paper to see where the glue is. I guess it's time to get rid of these glue pages and get me some new ones. Okay. Oops. Something on there. Now let's see where I want to put this. I'd like to put this right here. Now, on this front piece, if you want, it's kind of cute if you round the corners. Oopsie. Like that. So there's the first page, the second, the third, and then our little envelope with the little fun thing inside. This page and the back page. Oh my gosh, you guys, and look how thin it is. And you didn't sew it or anything. Now, the envelope. You know these envelopes that, oh, they're the long ones? You find them, you can get them pretty inexpensively. All right, so what I did was I kind of measured so that I didn't push it right at the end. And so I want to give it a little flap. So I just took my ruler and I marked it, and I'm going to cut that off. So I'm going to cut the end off. So measure your little Happy Mail booklet and make it so it will fit in there nicely, but you'll have room for a flap. Now you're going to have to lick this shut. Black. Tastes terrible. Now also what I did was I took my milled lavender distressed ink and I just went here and there on the envelope on both sides. So I'm going to do that. Okay, I have gone ahead and I've just put some ink on there, the milled lavender. Now I've got my black ink pad and I've got this adorable little lavender bunch stamp. And I am going to turn my envelope like this, like the post office likes. And I am going to stamp this bouquet right here. And I'm going to stamp another one a little lower. So it's just like that. I'm going to put this away. Wipe this up just a little bit or it's going to get everywhere. Okay, for a nice added touch, I have a purple pen. It's not a pen, it's a pencil, purple pencil and a green pencil. And I'm just going to lightly color in, or not really color in, like I'm not taking a lot of staying in the lines. I'm just highlighting the flowers like this. And then I'm going to do the stems and the leaves just a little bit, just to, I'm not, taking time to really make sure I'm in the lines. I'm just, it's kind of giving an illusion, but it's really sweet. It's a nice little touch. So, okay, can you see how it looks? Then you can just put your address here and the stamp. Your booklet goes right in. It fits very nicely in there. What I also like to do is I like to cut, well, first let's fold it over. Fold it over. Oh, for heaven's sakes, Kathy. I'm folding it all crooked. And give it the corners a clip like this. And then this back side, take it down just a little bit like that. That way, when you shut it, it will be nice looking. And then you just put a piece of tape, packing tape or some kind of strong tape on here. And then you can send it in the mail, perfectly flat, one stamp. Awesome! Oh, you guys, if you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to grow my channel, and I'd love for you to join. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye-bye now.